She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies. But my phone be blowing up, temptations on my line. I stare at the screen a while before I press decline. But she plants a seed and it still lingers in my mind. Told myself I'm strong enough to shake it and I'm trying. But I'm only human, I know loving you's a crime. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do the time. Slip me a Xanny at once. I got the earth and the blunt. I get the skirt when I want. I get the skirt when I want. Due to the money aroma, my girl, she got a diploma. She got white written all over. She got white written all over. All a nigga know is how to fuck a good thing up. Run from the pain, sip lean, smoke tree up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. Only if you down and you slurp good D up. If the work good, I'll be back for the re-up. Hate when I creep in the phone, wake me up. Fake like I'm
What's going on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook? Yeah, we got an unboxing for you guys today. Let's get to it. Alright, so today for you we got a Air Jordan 1 colorway reads Air Jordan 1 retro high. Got the style number Summit White, Blue Moon Black. Retailed at $160. Got these from Foot Locker. Shout out to Foot Locker. It's just kind of the first look for you guys. Inside, I don't know if y'all can see that. It kind of gives off a black toe vibe, except this would be white if it was black toes. But yeah, shoes are clean, solid. The leather quality is not the greatest. Like if you're comparing it to like a Shadow, or even if you're comparing it to a black toe, it's kind of like, I don't even know. I don't think I had a one like this yet, but it's not all that great quality. But the shoe is very dope. Very dope colorways, dope concept. These are reminded by his 14 All-Star appearances. Yeah, and also I seen somebody say they were based off Sesame Street as well. I don't know how true that was, but yeah, Sesame Street. But the Blue Moons, man, pretty sick pickup.
I also got one more for you guys.
Let me tell y'all a quick story first. So, I get up this morning, it's May 2nd, all the hype over the Sean Witherspoon restock is going crazy. So I'm trying to get everything in order for those, get everything situated. I'm calling Nike, situated, calling Nike or whatever. And they're telling me they don't even see it, just keep checking the sneakers app, keep blah blah blah. So then I see a post like an hour before the release, and somebody's like, if you voted for the sneaker to come out last year, then you'll be able to, get them. And I voted, but I don't know why the access wasn't available to me. I didn't have sneakers app last year, but I voted through Nike because I seen them on Sean's page. I went through the link and voted, and was trying to tell everybody these was gonna be the dopest shoes ever, and look what happened now. But anyways, I missed those because reasons that I just explained, and I called Foot Action just to see, because they told me yesterday when I got the Blue Moons and they were gonna get the clay greens. So I'm like, shoot, I need to go see if they gonna get the Clay Greens or whatever. So I call, and he's like, yeah, we got like 5 10.5s left. I'm like, okay, cool. No 11s, but I can get a 10.5. I can still get that size. So shit, I get to the mall, and by the time I'm halfway there, they say they don't have them anymore. Devastating as hell. So I still pull up anyway because you know, you can't always trust people's word these days when it comes to sneakers and things like that. It's just like politics. But pull up anyway, and they like, nah, too late, bro, too late. You know, everybody knows me or whatever. So they're like, nah, bro, like you literally just came a little too late, like 10 minutes literally. And dude, and one of my homies was like, hey, you know, Asian kid that was at the Sean Witherspoon release for APB when they did the Air Max Day, and I'm like, Justin. So that's one of my bros, real cool with him or whatever. He's a reseller, hype beast as well. No pun intended. No, he doesn't. He's not gonna take no offense to that. He owns up to being a hype beast, but you know what I'm saying. He came in there and bought all the last pairs of Clay Greens they had. So I call him and he's like, yeah, bro, I got you. I got a size 10.5. I'm looking at it right here. I'm like, well, shoot, how much you want? He hits me with 230, which is not too bad, but I did end up getting those too. Here they go. I'm gonna read off that style code to you. He got these out of Foot Action, not Foot Locker. These are Foot Action pair. Summit white, clay green, and black. Yeah, size 10.5. These are just clean, kind of like Celtics vibes, you know, but at the same time, it just got that black toe look. And my check on the Blue Moons didn't have like this tumble look to it. I don't know if you guys can see that on my check, but it's kind of like tumbly. This suede, that's pretty cool. And I am gonna go ahead and say this, that the leather seems better on the Clay Greens than the Blue Moons. Now I could be lying. It could be the same leather, and I could just be more ecstatic that I got these versus the Blue Moons. But yeah, leather definitely feels more soft and plush and like it's leather. The other Blue Moon feels like it's cardboard almost. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, let me put the other one out for you guys. See, it's tumbled on that one too. The check. I don't know, man. Happy I got these shits. You guys let me know in the comments below how you feel. Blue Moon, Clay Green. Let me know, guys.
She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies. But my phone be blowing up, temptations on my line. I stare at the screen a while before I press decline. But she plants a seed and it still lingers in my mind. Told myself I'm strong enough to shake it and I'm trying. But I'm only human, I know loving you's a crime. If I take this cookie now, one day I'll do the time. Slip me a Xanny.